going to be chaotic at all, right? Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm in the kitchen with the Wallace family today, Sam and Sarah and their beautiful kids, Brando, Cozzy and Sienna, and one of my 3 boys, River. And we are going to make one of my food bag's new kid-friendly recipes, the crispy chicken tacos.
I think the food will be right, but I worry about all this.
Wish us luck! You've got to put the flour and all the spices into the chicken, and then you toss it all up together.
Do you know what a drizzle is?
No.
Like it's like painting, yeah.
Perfect.
You could just dump it all in if you like. How cool is this? We haven't used one of these before, eh? Going straight through. Oh wow, look at that. Well, you girls are doing a great job of getting all the avocado out.
That's the moment you realise how good the safety knives are.
Who's the best cook, Mum or Dad? Yeah.
Oh, other than his protein shakes, what does Daddy cook?
He cooks nothing. He cooks farts.
Busted!
I actually can't argue with that.
You just got